بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
What to make a task easy and finish it with a good ending. Rabbi yassir wala tuassir wa tammim bil khair.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hello, how are you? I hope everyone is fine. My name is Shazia Zahir. I am the English teacher in the Educator Farooq Class Campus. Today, Wednesday, 27 Jan 2021, I am taking class 1 English. Well students, in my previous Zoom class, I taught you chapter number 18, Roy's Toys. That was very interesting. I hope you enjoyed very well reading that chapter and completing the work. Today is another activity I brought you, that is characterization from that chapter. In this chapter, we learned about the Roy. Roy was a lucky person, lucky child. He was having many toys, toy car, toy train and different good toys he was having. So today I am going to tell you something more about the Roy. Roy was a boy. So I want to tell you actually the topic of today. Today's topic is what? Characterization. Characterization is something we do to tell more about the person. Characterization is actually description of a person. Particular adjectives are used to describe the personality of the person. So today I will teach you how to do the characterization. Got it? In our class we learned about the Roy. So today we are going to do the characterization of Roy. Roy was a boy, obviously. So we want to tell you something more about the Roy after learning the chapter, that how many characteristics was he possessed. So first of all, when we do the characterization, we need to know about the person, that what kind of person he is, what kind of child was the Roy. Roy was a very lucky person because he was having a number of toys to play. He was having many friends to play with. So there are some adjectives I have written on the board. But before we start our characterization, we need to tell you that first of all we write the heading of background. What is background of Roy? Roy's background was, we can write about the date of birth if we know, the year, age if we know. So we know that Roy is a child of nearly 10 years. He loves playing. He possesses the following characteristics. Characteristics is a word. It means the adjectives by which we can easily know about the Roy. Got it? So our first heading, we come to know that Roy was a lucky person, lucky child, because Roy was having a number of toys to play and number of friends to play with. So we can easily say that Roy is a lucky child because he has many toys and good friends. Got it? Our next heading is unsociable. If you remind in your mind that Roy was having a number of toys and lot of friends, so we further come to know that Roy was unsociable. Unsociable means a person who loves to meet with the people but who do not mingle with them. So when Roy was having toys, other friends come, but Roy did not let other friends to play with his toys. Roy does not like that her toys are being used with other people. it means that Roy was unsociable. So we can write that Roy was unsociable because he does not like sharing. Got it? Our last heading is a little positive. Okay? Roy was a good learner. At the end of the chapter, we learned that Roy learned the good behavior. That if he does not talk to anyone, so no one will talk to him. Like this, he know that if I don't let other people to play with my toys, other friends will not play with me. At the end it happens that when he was denying his friends not to play with his toy, play another thing. So once the friend left him, he know that I can be alone. After that he learned that I am a good learner, I can change my behavior. So at the end he learned. Got it? So Roy is a good learner because we have to give a reason, because he learned to share his toys with his friends. Got it? So I hope by today's class and today's lecture you come to know how to do the characterization. Okay? So I have done the characterization of Roy from chapter number 18. Got it? I will give you a homework. Well, what is the homework? Our homework is you have to do the characterization. You learned that what is characterization and how to do it. Characterization of Simple Simon. Yes, the Simple Simon whom you meet in chapter number 24. The Simple Simon, you know very well. How was he? Simple Simon was very weak, old person. He always needed a person to help, you know very well. So read the chapter again to remind in your mind. Find out some adjective. First write down the background of characterization. First heading, background. Okay. In the background you will write the age and the needings of Simple Simon. After that you will find some more adjectives to describe his personality. Okay. I hope you understand. Allah Hafiz.